First off, I want to thank everybody who has recently subscribed and hit that notification bell. It means a lot and we see what you're doing out there. Now, with the upcoming launch of the Radeon RX 6800 series, we're greeted from a new tech from AMD called Smart Access Memory, or we'll be referring to it as SAM for short. Now, not to be confused with Sam Porter Bridges from Death Stranding, although they both do have delivery in common. Well, on to the news. See, it looks like NVIDIA has just confirmed to Gamers Nexus that they are working on their own Smart Access Memory technology, which will be enabled on all GeForce RTX 30 series Ampere GPUs and future updates possibly. Now, according to the tweet, in which quotes NVIDIA's official response to AMD Smart Access Memory technology, the Green Team confirmed that Resizable Bar is part of the PCI Express specifications and that NVIDIA's existing hardware fully supports this functionality. Now, NVIDIA possibly didn't see the need to enable this technology feature until now, as it's just now that its competitor is already starting to add support for its next generation RX 6000 series graphics cards based on the RDNA 2 architecture. For those curious, Resizable Bar Support has been discussed by Microsoft all the way back in April of 2017, with the update to Windows Display Driver Model version 2 that allowed Windows to renegotiate the size of the GPU bar post-firmware initialization on GPUs supporting resizable bar capabilities. Now, NVIDIA has stated that they will be adding support for this feature through future software updates, but it would be compatible with both Intel and AMD-based systems. Having support on both AMD and Intel platforms might give NVIDIA an edge, since AMD's solution only works with its Ryzen 5000 series lineup on a compatible 500 series motherboard. Now, based on what has been reported, the technology will not be ready by launch of the Radeon RX 6000 series, but since it does offer some performance gains on AMD's front, we can expect gains from NVIDIA's Ampere GPU architecture in a similar ballpark. The technology will not require you to invest in a PCIe Gen 4 platform, as it will be supported by PCIe Gen 3 as well. Based on what we know so far, BAR essentially redefines how much discrete GPU memory space can be mapped by today's PCs, which are typically limited to 256 megabytes of mapped memory. Now, AMD claims that with Smart Access Memory, or SAM, they can access all of the GPU memory, removing any bottleneck to allow for faster performance. AMD themselves have shown gains up to 11%, which can put the competitive advantage to their side in AAA gaming titles over NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 series. Now, we have yet to see the actual results of SAM, but the reviews planned for next week, we will definitely get to see how far performance can be improved with SAM on AMD's side, and what we can expect of a similar technology on NVIDIA's hands. And for more on this and other news, follow the link in the description and make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that we don't miss you in the next one.